Good morning, everyone. Coming to you from the back patio area here of my house. And I know we put a couple in-ground pool videos that we had put up about a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, onto the channel. I wanted to just give another video, an update, kind of go through a couple of the things that we went through to get this pool put in. We had basically thought about doing this in early June, and I would say most of it was complete by the end of July, and which was putting all the funds into order, getting the loans, and then speaking with the pool company that was going to install the pool, and also making sure the fiberglass pool, which we went with, was in stock. So everything happened very quickly for us, and I'm going to just pan you guys over here to the pool. If I can switch this around. Actually, I'm just going to switch it around to the other camera view. Okay, as you can see, this is the back patio. This our backyard looked a lot different before this all went in. We have all of our pump and the heater went in right over here by the shed, and all the electric was running underground prior to the concrete and mounted up to our shed. And then the pool, which is a 35-foot long by 16-foot wide. I know we have the cover on it now. That is a fiberglass pool made by Imagine is the brand, and I believe it's the Marvelous is the model. It has a little bit of a ledge which runs along this whole section here, and it gets down to about just over 6 feet deep down here on the deep end. But yeah, we about, I'd say, only 2 months between talking about getting funding and loans and getting the pool plopped into the ground here was the time frame. The fence we had to take a little bit longer to get, because I had to do some dirt work over here, and there were bushes all back in there previous to that, and I actually had planted grass there, which I'll show some before and after pictures of what it looked like before. It's very, very different. And then as you can see, I had to do a lot of dirt work over here on this edge, and I'm still running into some issues. Looks like some drainage issues I have to correct. You can see where the water's kind of running off over here. I'm going to be bringing in more dirt this spring, and I have to do some trenching over here for gutter systems and whatnot. Generators right there for the whole home generator. But I'm going to bring more dirt in, and I have not done landscaping yet. That is going to happen. It just has not happened yet. My plan is to do lighting, landscape lighting, and all around the perimeter here, and then do landscape paper, and then do a real nice rock, landscape rock, all along the edge there. And I have to still run that. That's a drainage gutter right there. That takes I'd say about 4 downspouts from the house. As you can see over here, it's a downspout. Those 2 and 2 more down that way is where that gutter system dumps out over to here. So with that, I want to trench that out a little bit further and run it out into that. There's like a swale right there. I want to run it further out into that swale, and then I'm going to bury it and do a pop-up emitter. And I'm going to bring more dirt in here, which is again on the agenda for this spring. And I'll level this up a little bit, and then eventually just taper it down for this spring. So, and then planting more grass over here is the final touch we're going to do. I'm probably going to do that in September with the planting of the grass. But all in all, I mean, from thinking about putting it in to putting it in, and all of the questions, and I don't want to say issues, but all of the little issues that are questions that pop up, and things we had to think about. There was a lot. So we took our time, but then right now we're kind of just taking it easy and seeing what we need little by little. I'm thinking about a pavilion right over in here. And you can see we have a table over here and whatnot. So, but yeah, we are very, very happy with it. I know I had some pool build videos that we had. I wanted to kind of show everyone what the end result looked like, and I'll have more videos as we get into summertime of the pool. But we're very happy with it. They did a phenomenal job, and the cover is on now, and we're looking forward to getting it off in the spring here. But if anyone has any questions, we'd love to hear it. Any suggestions, just leave it in the comments and we'll respond to you. So, alrighty, have a good day.